As we show, when the scatter plot pattern, lower right, to upper left, the correlation, become negative, while, when the scatter plot pattern, lower left, to upper right, the correlation, become positive. This slide show patterns of high positive correlation and high negative correlation. While, this slide show patterns of low positive correlation and low negative correlation. And this slide show pattern of no correlation. On the other hand, this slide show patterns of null and alternative hypothesis regarding scatter plot. And this slide show patterns of null and alternative hypothesis regarding histogram.